Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I upload a video here on this channel. Hope we are good today, hope we're all safe and we're healthy today. From the title below, you already know what today's tutorial is all about, or today's video is all about. So this hairstyle, it's a Nigerian celebrity hairstyle that my client asked me to recreate here. So I decided to film it so that you guys will see. She said I should recreate it on her head. We advise you to watch the video from beginning to the end so that you will just see how I actually recreated the look. Do not skip any single part because this is a very detailed video. And for the fact that I did not use braids, I used dreadlocks, a goddess dreadlock from Xpression. In the comment section, I would like to know what you guys think about the hairstyle, and also if you will recreate the hairstyle as well. Just leave it in the comment section below. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to subscribe, share the video to friends and family, give this video a big thumbs up, that's a liking. Just click on the like bell or like button to like the video, or your notifications so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video.
I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty, everything I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
now for the tip, I'm going to use Goddess Locks. It's Xpression products. The fiber is being produced by QRank. QRank is a brand specialized in dreadlocks fiber. This fiber is visible in Xpression dreadlocks products, as the QRank fiber is used in making products such as Xpression Goddess Locks, Xpression Reggae Mask, Xpression Mentor, and Xpression Jamaican Locks. QRank fiber promotes your passion and freedom for styling. It has natural texture like an original African hair texture. QRank gives you various styles, as you can see in Xpression dreadlock products. It is a quick, reggae, and easy to wear hair. Today I'm using Goddess Locks, and it's also Xpression products. I love this hair, the texture of the hair. It feels much like natural, you know, this natural African hair texture. That's how it feels like. It's so lightweight, like you can style it anyhow you want. You can either do the short length or you do a very long length that will reach your bum bum. So any style you want to recreate with this dreadlocks, you can actually do that. So the installation of the dreads will just take a single tip of the hair and then fold it like so. After folding, we'll take a different dreadlock and open it into 3 different pieces. This is so that the installation or the installed part of the dread on her head won't be too thick, like it will have a corresponding look with the tip of the hair or the tip of the dread. Once that is done, we'll just take a different dread, that's a different one that I haven't separated, and just attach it like so, and then take the separated one, the one I separated, into like 3 pieces to start wrapping it like so.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing.
When I get to the end of or where her natural hair actually stop, we'll just go ahead to tie a knot and then use scissors to cut off the excess. We'll continue installing like so. And for this particular part of her head, I'm using the Goddess Locks that comes with 2 different colors. While at the back, I'm going to use a plain black, like plain from the top to the tip. So yeah, we'll just continue installing the hair like so. So for the back installation, I actually made like box braids, just so that when I'm wrapping the hair can stay firm. So I made box braid first before attaching the dreadlocks. So we'll just go ahead to attach the dreadlocks just same way I attached the dreadlocks in the middle. Same way I attach the dreadlocks at the middle.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, because I'm freezing. If you want to see me, 'cause you mean. Say that you will love me every night and day. And I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same.
After installation of the dress, I just went ahead or go ahead to attach beads to the hair just to beautify everything. Yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it's helpful. Hope you liked the video. Hope you were able to learn something from this video. If you did, click on the like button to give the video a big thumbs up. Share the video to friends and family. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.